Imagine spotting an animal with the beak of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the feet of an otter. The platypus, found in Australia, is a real-life marvel that baffled early explorers and fueled wild imaginations. Or consider the liger, a mix between a lion and a tiger, which combines the size and strength of both parents. These astonishing hybrids showcase nature's ability to blend traits in unexpected ways. Throughout history, such creatures have sparked stories of extraordinary beings, reminding us that the natural world is full of surprises that rival the wildest tales.